Hi Christine, this is a short video to just show you how to get these recipes onto the site quickly and easily. I like to keep two tabs open so that I can see both the front end and the back end of the site. To create a new post, you just go to Posts. You can see the recipes that are already on here. To create a new one, just click Add New. Up comes a blank form here for you. I've got the text for this off on another screen that you can't see, but I'm just going to be copying and pasting. So we put the title of the recipe right in here. Just spot as the title. And then for down below, we're just going to paste the text in here. You can format that if you want. You can make this bullet points or whatever. The site is set up already so that anything that you make bold, it's going to make that red text so that you can differentiate the two sections of the site. Right over here on the right hand side is where we're going to designate the categories that it belongs to so that people can filter this stuff. So this one uses the dark cherry, so we're going to click that. And then in terms of what it is, let's see, do we already have a cocktails and mocktails? So we come right here to tags and we start to type that in. It'll give us the option. If you need to create a new one and it's not available, you can just, type in a new one here and add a brand new tag for it. You just want to make sure you're not duplicating another tag just with a different name so that it doesn't get confusing. That is pretty much it. Unless you're going to add a featured image, you would do that right here. That brings up your image library. If you have a new image to add, you just come right over here to upload files. Use the Select Files button to browse to whatever image it is that you might have. We can probably help you flesh this out a little bit with some stock photography. You can look on iStock if you want us to. I know there's probably that's not always going to match up to exactly what the recipe is, but we can probably assist with some of that. You see we hit Publish over here to make that go live. So let's just go ahead and hit Update here to see that new one added. There's our Cherry Manhattan. We can click Read More, and there is our post so that we can check the formatting of it. Again, if you wanted to do something like make this bullet points, hit Update, come over here, hit Refresh. However you want it to be formatted. You probably want it to be consistent from recipe to recipe, but that is really all that there is to it. So let us know if you want some assistance or just start publishing away. I think that's it. Thanks.